A lot has changed since my last video. Moved out, got my own place with a garage and everything, so I love that for the cars and the bikes. Obviously sold my CBR, haven't bought a new bike yet, but I did get a Nissan 350Z, which I was looking for. So I got an 08 red 6-speed 350Z with the HR engine, fairly low mileage, and I plan on building that and doing stuff to that and documenting that the whole way through this channel as well. As you know, some of the bike life and car meets, track days, drift events, stuff like that. So we actually drove down to Tennessee-Kentucky border back in December 6th, 2016, and it was sitting in a storage for the past, I don't know, 3 or 4 months until I got my new place, and now it's in my own personal garage. So I'm gonna show my Z, and then from there, you know, installs and stuff like that. UPS man just dropped this off. I'm so pumped. That's gonna be awesome. I felt like I was waiting forever for this thing. They packaged this stuff really nicely. This thing is gorgeous. I'm so excited to put this on the Z. It's gonna be such a big improvement. I mean, look at these welds. Look at this. Look at that. It is. Alright, about to install the exhaust. The plan is to take off the factory exhaust, then do a bumper tuck the bumper, and then throw the single Tomei on. Alright, so car is jacked up. I have been working on these two, this one here, which is hard to see, this one and this bolt for the past half hour. This one actually ended up shearing off, so that's what ended up happening to that. But yeah, so I'm still working on this, getting the exhaust off. What a pain. I've never taken off a stock exhaust on a car like this before, but what a pain in the ass, man. So this finally came out of the Z. Pain in the ass, took quite some time. I'm gonna tuck the bumper up now and get that going. So there's just these couple braces under here in this rear of the bumper. I'm gonna take this off, remove this, so this will be bye-bye, and then this will be able to be tucked up, and it'll look smooth for the single Tomei. So I'm excited for that. It'll look good. It's coming along, but once this is tucked up, it'll really look good with the single, as opposed to having the dual still.